Yeah, that might be a dead duck.
Hey folks, James Nixon. We're here at Hawkstove Mountain Ranch and fixing to open up and unbox our latest project. This is from Savage. It is chambered in a 300 Win Mag, and it is the 110 Stealth. It's a MDT chassis made for Savage. This is a left-handed model. This is Traven's rifle. Magpul Gen 3 PRS stock. Has a 20 MOA rail. The chassis has a forward rail on it and a couple side Picatinny rails attached to it. Muzzle brake has the AccuTrigger. Imagine the bolt is inside here. It's a 24-inch, I believe it's 1 in 10 twist, fluted barrel, 5R rifling. It's Cerakoted the bronze color. I think it is an absolute beautiful rifle. Hopefully it shoots as good as it looks, and we're gonna start to get this thing set up and get Traven on the range and see if we can send it.